Griselda Martínez leads the transformation of Manzanillo, replacement of drinking water and drainage networks in El Tajo, which has been completely abandoned. In an effort to repair the city of Manzanillo and give dignity to its inhabitants, the president of the city council, Griselda Martínez, has allegedly started work to replace the drinking water and drainage networks in the El Tajo area. These works promise to completely change the appearance and functionality of this area long forgotten by the authorities. Complications and challenges. The works have presented difficulties due to the nature of the soil, made up of hill stones, which have complicated the excavations. Despite this, the municipal team has remained firm in its commitment to carry out this important transformation. Once the works are finished, it is estimated that more than 1,700 inhabitants will be able to have access to water again, and the drainage system in the area, which is a basic need. These changes will contribute to a better quality of life for the local community, providing them with the essential resource of water. The alleged works in progress propose the replacement of 204 linear meters of 8-inch pipes for drainage, and the installation of 240 linear meters of pipes for drinking water. These works are still ongoing and have not yet been completed. The duration of the works is unknown at this time. To solve the problem in an improvised way and minimize interruptions in services, a parallel line has been established to provide a temporary water supply while the improvements are being made. It is a completely abandoned area. El Tajo has been a forgotten and abandoned area for a long time. However, this area is supposedly undergoing a complete transformation. We'll see how long it takes and if the solution provided by the government is truly as successful as described. Let's hope that the residents will be able to enjoy a renewed environment very soon, as proclaimed by the government.